Happy Friday. Today is May 7th. I hope that you guys had a great week and that you're enjoying the sunshine these last couple days. It was kind of a rainy week, but a little rain brings a lot of beauty to our spring and summer. Pretty short and sweet video. We had a great week in third grade. We got a lot of our end of the year testing done, and so you will receive a data packet with beginning of the year to end of the year growth on May 14th. And it will give us a little time that we can chat about any questions you guys have about the data packet. Next week, on the 13th, we have our Summer Style Day, and that is basically just a student council sponsored event that they can dress up as something they are planning to do this summer. For example, being a fisherman or going to a luau, whatever they plan to do this summer. So we're going to do that the 13th instead of the school-wide day on the 14th, just because the 14th is the Wax Museum. So at the Wax Museum, please have your student come to school in costume. We won't have time to change between events that we're doing at school and their presentations. So please come in costume and with their poster. They will do their presentation via Flipgrid, and we will get that sent to you next week. And you'll have the opportunity to then respond on their video to make it a little bit more interactive as well. Remember, on those posters, that it is just 5 colored pictures with captions, and then any important details about the colonial leader. If you have not seen your child's paragraph come home, please check Google Docs. A few of them took a little bit longer than expected, so they weren't able to get printed, but just work on those, get those memorized. I did tell the kiddos that they're always welcome to tape or glue their paragraph on the back of their poster as just a reference when they're reading their memorized piece. Other than that, we have Mayfair on the 18th, and our last day of school is on the 20th, and it is a half day with a release at 11:30. I hope that you guys have a great weekend. If you have any questions, please reach out.